Good evening, everyone. This is your Vincent Villasor reporting for SSS. We bring your breaking news from Negros Occidental, where Mount Canlaon, one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines, has erupted. Earlier today, Mount Canlaon released a significant ash cloud reaching up to 2,465 meters or 8,870 feet. Although it is reported as 2,435 meters or 7,989 feet. The Philippine Institute of Volcano and Seismology or PHIVOLCS has raised the alert level, urging residents and authorities to take necessary precautions. Based on initial reports, the eruption occurred at approximately June 3, 2024, with ashfall observed in surrounding areas including Bago, La Carlota, San Carlos, and Canlaon, and the town of Murcia and La Castellana. Authorities are only monitoring the situation and have advised residents to remain vigilant.
Erin Parinyas, ayun, galing po ako doon sa Canlaon. Ayan, so ngayon nandito po ako sa may evacuation center. So medyo nahirapan po kami kasi syempre yung mga hayop namin doon inaiwanan namin at saka yung ibang gamit namin. So kaya dito na lang muna kami magtitiis sa evacuation center para sa aming kaligtasan po.
Good afternoon. The local government, along with disaster response team, has begun implementing evacuation plans for communities within the 4-kilometer danger zone. PHIVOLCS reminds the public to avoid entering the area due to the risk of pyroclastic flows, ashfall, and volcanic debris.
Good afternoon, everyone. Residents are advised to wear face masks to protect against inhaling ash and to secure clean water and emergency supplies. Flights in the regions may also be affected, and travelers are urged to check with airlines for updates. Authorities continue to monitor Mount Canlaon's activity, and we will provide updates as more information becomes available. For now, stay tuned to SCSS News for updates. Reporting from Negros Occidental, I'm Karyana Jukino. Stay safe.